In this video, we're going to see what to expect from an IELTS speaking exam. In other words, what goes on in a speaking exam in the IELTS test. As we know, IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. This particular part or module of the testing system aims to test the proficiency of the candidate in verbal communication. The test goes on for 14 to 16 minutes and has 3 parts. The test can be taken offline, where the examiner and the candidate are face to face, or offline, where they are still face to face but through a screen. The test has 3 parts. The first part has general life based questions based on a person's choices and habits. The questions can be on various topics like work, studies, home, choice of food, hobbies, using a calculator or dictionary, etc. A candidate generally gets asked questions on 3 broad topics, and the number of questions can range from 12 to 15. Then comes the second part, which goes on for not more than 5 minutes, and the candidate gets a topic to speak on for 1 to 2 minutes. The topic comes with a set of hints or pointers for which help the candidate to make the speech, and the planning time that is given for that is 1 minute. After the planning time comes the point where the candidate has to deliver the speech, and this time is about 1 to 2 minutes. After the talk is over, there comes the second part. But it is to be remembered that in the second part, the candidate has to talk at length, describing little details regarding the experience that has been given in the question. The questions in the second part can be like, describe an indoor game that you used to play, or talk about a time you had to wake up extremely early. Then comes the third part, and in this part, the candidate gets asked certain questions based on their viewpoints or their opinions. And in this part again, they have to describe the question, they have to describe their beliefs in 3 to 4 lines. The questions will be related to the topic that was given to them in the second part of the question. So, for example, a candidate was given the cue card topic of an indoor game. So, the questions that can be asked in part 3 can be like, what are the benefits of indoor games, or what effect can indoor games have on a person's life? Similarly, if the candidate gets the cue card for, say, talk about a time that you had to wake up early, then the question types can be like, what are the benefits of waking up early, or does sleeping late have any lifestyle effects on the person's life? So with that, 10 to 12 questions again can be asked in this part, and after that the test comes to an end. Hope you found this useful.